Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to be talking about our AI Tools section. When you first click into the AI Tools section, you'll see the Feature tab. This is where you'll see every tool that Frase has created for you to use. Once you start to bookmark tools in our Community section or create tools yourself, you'll also see these appear here. Under this Feature tab, we've got some great tools like the Blog Intro tool, the Meta Description Generator, and the Listicle Generator. You can use any of these to help create your SEO content. If there's something that you're looking for that's not under this Feature tab, you may be able to find it under our Community tab. This is where other members of the Frase community have created their own AI tools for you to use. Just use the search bar and type in what you're looking for, and you may see it there. Now, if we don't have the tool for you, that's okay. Let's say you have a FAQ section and you always want to include 5 question and answer pairs in it based on your page title. You could design a custom AI tool to ensure that the AI writer produces exactly what you need. First, you'll click on New AI Tool here at the top right. After you name the tool, you'll be brought to the Custom AI Tool Editor. Let's go ahead and start at the top of this. With the description, we'll write something in like this. This description field will define your tool's purpose. Selecting a category will define where it lives in the community section if you decide to publish it. By default, your custom tool will only be available to you and your team. If you test the output at least 5 times, flipping on Publish to Community will share it with all Frase users in the community section. For personality, this is where you can define tone, style, or the type of person the output should mimic. Now we're at the prompt section. Here you'd write as if you would to ChatGPT. Just make sure what you'd like to use as the tool input is enclosed by the percentage. After that, go ahead and fill out the sample input and output fields so that the AI writer has examples of what it should write like. From there, you can fill out the tutorial section so people know how to use your tool. After that, your tool is ready to go. I hope that after watching this, you're more familiar with our AI tool section and how you can create any tool for your use case.